Welcome to Persian cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and quick lunch. This is a smoked salmon. I bought it from Costco. It's really delicious and it's high quality. You can just, serve it just the way it is, but I like to heat it up a little bit. Here's the pan, and I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Here's our beautiful smoked salmon. Put the lid on and let it cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add some mustard and some mayo. Some pickles here. Some lettuce. This is a very delicious and healthy quick lunch. It's full of omega-3 and lots of veggies. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Bon appetit and nouche jan.